Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make an adorable little keychain using just 3 pipe cleaners and a few cute accessories. All the materials you'll need for this project are listed in the video description, so feel free to check it out before you start crafting. First, pick 2 pipe cleaners in the colors you like. For mine, I'm using a soft pink and a light purple. Twist the 2 ends together so they form one long pipe cleaner. Now, take a pen that's about 7 millimeters in diameter. Wrap the pipe cleaner tightly around the pen. Don't worry if you don't have the exact size. Any similar pen will work just fine. Once it's wrapped, push both ends toward the center to form a little spring shape. Make sure to tuck down the sharp twisted joints so it doesn't stick out. Carefully slide the spring off the pen. Next, grab a leftover piece of pipe cleaner and thread it through the center of the spring. Pull both ends tight to form a neat little circle. Then tuck the joint inside so it's hidden. Adjust the shape a little, then twist the 2 ends together to secure it in place. Trim off the extra pipe cleaner and tuck the tips back into the circle. Use a pair of pliers to bend down any sharp wire ends so they won't poke your hands. And there you go, our little donut base is ready. Now let's make the chain that will go on top of the donut. Take the small leftover piece of pipe cleaner and trim off the fuzzy part. Be careful when using sharp scissors here. Once the fuzz is gone, fold the pipe cleaner in half so it's about 1 centimeter long. For this part, I'm using a 0.4 millimeter elastic cord, plus 1 4 millimeters bead and 1 6 millimeters bead. Follow along with me. First thread the small bead, then the larger bead. Now hook the trimmed pipe cleaner onto the end of the elastic cord, then pass the cord back through both beads. Trim off the extra elastic cord. Slide on a crimp bead, then a crimp tube. Flatten the crimp tube with pliers and trim off the excess cord. Clamp the clasp shut, attach a jump ring, and close it. Now we can decorate our donut. Attach the little chain to the top front of the donut with hot glue. Take a cute cute charm and glue it at the bottom of the chain to cover the pipe cleaner joint. Now comes the fun part. Decorate the donut however you like. Add some beads, a tiny bow, or maybe a little heart. And just like that, our cute little donut is finished. But wait, let's make it even more special by adding a name bead string. Pick out the letter beads to spell the name or word you'd like. Again, I'm using 0.4mm elastic cord for this. You can also add extra beads or charms depending on your style. For mine, I'll start and end the name with 2 small 3mm white beads. Once all the beads are strung, finish it the same way we did with the donut chain. Attach a clasp and a crimp tube. Finally, hook everything onto a keyring, add a tiny bell for some charm, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this little pipe cleaner keychain with me. If you have any ideas or requests for future DIYs, feel free to share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorial. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.